Good morning, lovers of Ford and Ford owners. Yes, this is another good day. My name is Femi Shenaike for Femtop Ford. Yes, there is a work going on here. Sorry, Agnes, can you tell us what you are doing on this car? You are checking. We can't hear you.
I'm checking the connection, whether the wire is connected.
From what to what?
From the coil on plug.
Coil on plug to what?
To the fuse box.
To the fuse box. Is that the only thing you check? So the fuse box, that's positive supply,
yes.
And also the second wire, coil on plug to what? To the PCN. All right. So how do you intend to do that? How are you doing it?
I'm going to use this
meter. Multimeter.
Then put it on the wire, the first wire of the coil on plug.
Okay.
To the PCN.
Where it's supposed to be connected to. Where it's supposed to be connected to. Okay. And check what?
And check continuity.
Continuity. Then the second line.
To the fuse box.
To the fuse box.
Yeah.
Have you checked the fuse? Which fuse supplies the coil?
68.
68. How do you get that? How did you get it?
From there.
From there?
Yes.
Okay. So how do you know it's 68? How do you know from what?
From the cover.
From the cover. How do you know 68 is the one working for the coil? That's what I'm saying.
Through this.
Through this. What's that?
Coming next to the wiring diagram.
Wiring diagram. All right. Can you expand? Let's see.
This is the second.
All right.
Coil unplugged.
Coil unplugged too. Okay. Good luck. Oh yeah. Continue. Thank you. So that's Femtop Ford for you to work on your vehicle to excellence and optimal repair, even electronic diagnosis from front bumper to rear bumper. This is our address here and phone number. Yes. Our address and phone number here. Okay. That's 0706-919-1035. Femtop Ford. We are at Nigerian Air Force Workshop, Ikeja Central. All right. Good luck, all owners of Ford.